This is dog fuck 1. Backdoor sluts number 9.
You gotta stand it up.
Keep it for He gonna do it.
He's gonna do it.
He's coming. He's coming.
This is Michael Vick, 69 style. We don't abuse dogs, we make them have sex.
He gonna keep biting it.
Oh.
Don't move. Do not move, dog. Do not move.
Oh. He may be finished. Missionary. Look at Elmo's face, my nigga. Look at Elmo's face. He's like, oh my god. This is too real. I should get a dog.
Oh, he needs some head.
I should get a dog, I swear.
Yeah, he needs some head.
If I had a dog, my dog would be fucking every fucking... Oh! Oh, shit. Fuck Sesame Street, nigga.
He Sesame sucking my meat.
Hell yeah. Too real. He kissing him afterwards. That's what real niggas
But he
do.
nutted on it, bro. You see it? It's like, I swear I saw like on the...
That's what real niggas
right
do.
here.
You get your dick sucked and you kiss her afterwards. Only when it's your main chick. You can't be kissing your hoes. That's how they suck your dick. They gotta be white.
Hoes nut though, bro.
Yeah, I don't think,
No, nigga, because in Friday...
Yeah, they did get stuck in the butt.
In Friday, when that nigga got nutted on by Chico, there was no way that was fucking yogurt, dude. Like, that had to... This nigga just lay down.
Yeah.
Alright, Tyrus, what you gotta say about your dog fucking?
He just needed it, I guess.
Steph, how you feel about the dog fucking?
I'm just a director, but I just make what happens goes on, you know.
Diggy, how you feel?
That's how you feel. Don't you even do it.
I feel like this is going on Twitter in like 5 minutes. Real shit.